What's up guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable voice amplifier from Yoceweca. Now hopefully I'm pronouncing that name correctly. If I'm not, I apologize. Anyways, this portable amplifier is similar to one that I reviewed previously from Mayono. Now these devices are perfect for large functions, training sessions, and touring large groups of people around. Anyways, let's check this out and see how it works. Now before we begin, I'd appreciate it if you'd support this channel by smashing that like button and subscribing. It'd really help me out with that YouTube algorithm. This portable personal speaker is from Yoceweca. It's the S208 model and is packaged in a pretty small box. Now at the front, you'll see some of the basic specs and features as well as a picture of the speaker. And on the back, you'll see a list of examples of some of the use cases, such as teaching, in meetings, tour guides, and even for training. Now in the box, you'll get your standard instruction manual and user guide that tells you how to use and set up the speaker itself. The speaker itself is packaged neatly in a static bag and has a glossy black and white color to it. It's also got an LCD on the front as well as a number of buttons, ports, and dials. Now on the left side of the speaker, you'll find a mic and auxiliary port, and in the corner you'll find an on-off knob which you can also use to adjust the volume. Now on the top of the speaker you've got a number of playback buttons as well as a couple of buttons to cycle through the different functions and settings of the speaker. On the right side you've got a USB port as well as a 5-volt USB-C port for charging. It's also got a clip on the back so you can attach the speaker to your belt. The package also comes with a USB-C cable for the purpose of charging the device. And like other portable speakers that I've tried out, this one comes with a threaded nylon strap so you can hang the speaker around your neck. It also comes with a 3.5mm audio cable for connecting the speaker to other devices and accessories. Now the headset is your standard headset. Now, compared to the Mayono speaker that I unboxed and reviewed previously, which you can link to in the cards above, this one looks a little bit more rugged and comes with a different design and feel. I like the white on black contrast as well as the front-facing grille which breaks up the solid plastic look. This speaker is made up of a thick plastic material and it feels pretty sturdy. Now on the front you've got a small display which gives you an idea of some of the settings and the status of the speaker itself. It's also got a mic and an auxiliary port on the side for connecting a microphone, headsets, and other external devices such as MP3 players, smartphones, and other audio sources you want to connect to it. It's also got an on and off dial which you can use to adjust the volume and of course turn the speaker on and off. Now on the other side, it looks like you've got a USB-A and a USB-C port for charging the device. Now what's cool and different about this speaker is that you can attach a USB stick to the speaker itself and record your audio from whatever event you use this speaker for and then play it back. Now on the top of this device, you've got your standard play, pause, mute, next, and previous buttons. You've also got this mode button to toggle through the different functions of this speaker. Now another function of that mode button is to connect this device to other devices via Bluetooth, which is something that I haven't seen in other speakers that I've reviewed. Now to pair this speaker with other devices through Bluetooth, all you have to do is turn the speaker on, press the mode button once, and look for the blinking blue word on the display, which means it's in pairing mode. Once blinking, all you got to do is go to your other device, let's say your smartphone, and look for the S208 device and connect to it. Now you're free to stream audio to the speaker itself. Now as I mentioned previously, this speaker is unique because it also has the ability to record by simply attaching a USB storage device to it using the USB port on the side and hitting the R button at the top. Now as I've been playing with this over the past couple of weeks, it doesn't look like this has any kind of internal storage. So a USB storage device is required for this recording feature. Now, what I did notice that's lacking from this speaker versus other speakers that I've reviewed in the past is a radio function. But then again, how many people are going to actually use one of these devices to listen to the radio? Definitely not me. Now, when it comes to the quality of the audio of this speaker, which of course is the primary reason anyone would be buying this speaker, as you can hear, like other speakers, it can get pretty loud. You're going to want to make sure you adjust the audio level so it's a comfortable decibel level. So as you can hear, like other speakers, it can get pretty loud. Similarly, you shouldn't expect a lot of bass from these, and instead just a projection of your voice with a lot of treble and mid-tones. Now I do like the soft flexible headset, which gives you the ability to either wear this over the head or behind the head. Just in case you don't want that little hair dent after wearing this headset for a few hours. And that's why I'm wearing it with the headset to the back. Like some of the other speakers, this also comes with a neck and a waist strap, so you can free up your hands to do other things during your speaking engagements. Now if that isn't your style, it also has a detachable belt clip on the back, which is another way you can wear this speaker. Now unlike some of the other speakers that I've reviewed, this one doesn't have any issues with interference. As you can see, I'm moving the speaker really close to the microphone and just all around, and you're not getting any kind of feedback. So that's a good thing about this speaker. And like other speakers, this device is also rechargeable and comes with a USB-C cable and has a power output of about 10 watts. Now it works for about 8 to 10 hours on a single charge, which should be plenty of time unless you're one of those long-winded speakers. But then again, who goes and talks for more than 10 hours at a time without taking a break anyways? Now charging time for this speaker is about 2 to 3 hours to get a full charge. Now again, I'm probably not going to use this device to stream or play music. So the Bluetooth feature is nice, but I'm probably not going to use it very much. That goes the same for the USB port. I'm probably not going to attach an MP3 player or a storage device with music on it and play it through this speaker. But then again, you never know. You may be on a tour or some kind of session where you want to play some music or audio, and then you're going to use this speaker for that. I just don't see it happening for myself. So in the end, when it comes to this speaker, I think it works great as expected. I definitely use this speaker for amplifying and projecting my voice during speaking engagements and other activities that would require me to amplify or project my voice. I definitely do like that it has Bluetooth and recording capabilities, which makes it stand out from other speakers that I reviewed. And at roughly $42 on Amazon, it's definitely a great price, which is made even better by getting a 30% off using an instant coupon on Amazon right now. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in making an informed purchase decision. Please leave me a comment and let me know if you have one of these, and let me know what you think about it. I post unboxing and review videos pretty regularly, so make sure you also subscribe and ring that bell icon to get updates when I post new content. Until next time, see ya.